Hello everyone, welcome to Open Source DBA Technologies. Here we are going to discuss about MySQL DBA course content. What are the topics we are going to discuss in the recording video? Okay, in the recording videos, I clearly explain these are the topics. First topic: introduction features of MySQL, including history, usages, okay, and notable customers, whoever using MySQL. Everything I explained clearly. This is first session. Then M installation on Red Hat CentOS 8.4 as of now. We are in December 2024. As of now, 8.4 is available for M repository. Okay, and installation of MySQL on Red Hat using RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. Here actually, when I am recording that time 9.0 only available actually. So October 15th onwards 9.1 also came. So two recordings videos are available. Installation won't get changed, and it can be 9.0 or 9.1 or 8.0, 8.4, whatever the version you are installing from 8.0 to 9.1, 8.0, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, 9.0, 9.1. All these packages, only features will get added. That's it. There is no difference of installation. Installation steps won't get changed. Okay, I will upload MySQL 9.0 as well as 9.1 or RPM. Then generic binaries installation. This is for 9.1 only. This already uploaded there. So, and installation of MySQL using MS installation as well as no install zip archive. This is 9.1 version only. Then user management, how to manage the users, privileges, roles. This will discuss. Okay, this is basically as a DBA we are going to maintain user privileges, create user, drop user, alter user, grant privileges. Okay, rename it, connection validation. Okay, helping to the developers in case of any port issues, firewall issue, all these kind of issues we are going to help them. Okay, these are the utilities, basically how to take the backup, restore, recovery, or shut down server. These and all basically utilities or programs or command will call. Then how to run multiple instances, okay, using some utilities here. So these two are interrelated. Some utilities here will get covered, some utilities. Then storage engine, this is hot for MySQL. Basically in MySQL and MariaDB, storage engines are very special topic and hot for MySQL. In MySQL we have different types of in DB, MyAsm, memory, archive, CSV, merge, MyAsm, black hole, federated. So have different types of storage engines. For each storage engine, what is the use and the examples, everything will discuss here. Then coming to storage engine architecture. Storage engine architecture is important for interview purpose. Okay, because MySQL don't have any big architectures like Oracle SQL DB and all. It will follow standard RDBMS architecture. It's very simple client server architecture. DB architecture is available, but in interview most of the people won't ask, but better have some idea internal architecture of InnoDB, how files it will get stored, what are the buffer foods available. Everything here we are going to be. This is theoretical topic. Okay, and InnoDB isolation levels. It's acid properties, atomicity, consistency, durability is there, right? I for isolation, acid, atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. I for isolation level. InnoDB only supports read uncommitted, read committed, repeatable read, and serializable. Coming to logs. Logs are nothing but like we are going to log the table. It can be read log, write log, or enter table or row level. Here we have even enter global level, means instance level log also. Coming to backup restore, as a DBA we have to maintain and secure the database. We have physical backup, logical backup. Even we have discussed CSV backup and restore as well. And using GA tools like DBeaver, MySQL or Quench also can take the backup. I explain everything here. Then coming to PITR, point-time recovery using binary log and log position with an examples. Coming to server logs. So as a DBA, sometimes so some issues will come. Okay, we need to audit the log, or slow queries need to cross check. Okay, replication purpose, error log for audit. This is for not auditing purpose, error log for alerting purpose, general log for auditing purpose, binary log for replication, point-time recovery, incremental backup purpose, flow log for monitoring long running queries, relay log that will store the binary log transactions on the replication in replica. Okay, so total this type of logs are there. Coming to source to replica replications are there. Source to source is nothing but active to passive. Okay, and source and source to replica using GTID. GTID is nothing but global transaction identifier. This is available from MySQL 5.6. Okay, both replication we are going to discuss. Source to replica, including GTID also, and multi-source replication. Here also I clearly explained with normal replication with GTID both, and types of like partitioning. Okay, we have vertical partitioning, horizontal partitioning. Okay. Anyway, RDBMS will support horizontal partitioning. Vertical partition is cost expensive, and okay, range partition, list partition, hash partition. These four are important. In column sub partition also there. Coming to upgradation, so other people will call it as patching. Here directly from 8.4 to 9.1 we can. Okay, there is no 9.0 now. Now directly 8.4 to 9.1 innovation we can upgrade. Here I have clearly explained RPM upgrade, in place upgrade, logical upgrade, everything in place, and everything. Coming to MySQL Workbench is a DBA tool. Even I explained DBA as well. How to install, uninstall, what are the features there. Even Enterprise Workbench, what are the features, I explained clearly. And default databases are schemas. We have sys schema, information schema, performance schema, MySQL, right? What are the useful queries, what it contains, everything I explained here. Then coming to performance optimization and tuning. This is not a 1 hour or 2 hours, 3 hours class. This is continuous practice. Today one issue will come, tomorrow one more issue will come. This is continuous practice. Here I have discussed what are the parameters you can do and what are the optimization tips. Okay, this is continuous practice. Okay, we have to do. Okay. So coming to my experience, myself, I am VN Raja Reddy. I have more than 15 years of real-time experience into multiple open source databases, not only MySQL. I do have experience into MariaDB, Couchbase, Cassandra, okay, even Redis as well, Postgres as well. Okay, I tried many people worldwide. They are working in okay level 4, level 5, even for startup companies also. Okay, that's it from my end, friends. Okay, if you have any doubt, just ping me or call me. Okay, these are the topics we are going to discuss in the recording videos as well. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ping me or call me. Okay, and do practice on Linux operating system. It's always recommended. Okay, don't practice on Windows, because in real time most of the times we will use Linux only. Better practice on CentOS or Rocky Linux or Fedora, or in case we have Enterprise Edition Red Hat, you can Red Hat also you can use. These are the 23 topics around I have covered. Actually, these are the topics around like less than 20 hours, maximum 15 to 20 hours between only. These are the recordings it will be the maximum, I think 15 to 17 hours between. Okay, maximum it will be there. If you do practice on daily basis 1 hour 2 hours, maximum you can complete in 2 to 3 weeks only. Okay, these are the 23 topics. Okay, to become expert in MySQL. This is basically course content for MySQL video recording. Okay, if you have any doubt, just ping me or call me. Okay.